Now we social Adom TV na legal team war NDC amanyoko no mo de nkrata akoma CID empany force and many ye Masha bedwani de ma de hye we betifin ono so eye agric minister ora Bryan Acheampong was wo muche no emuntu aso Adom TV edeba
NDC amanyoko no legal team de nkrata akoto criminal investigation department enimse enianimu yi a won konkochere abetifim rashebedwani ya wono aso ene yo so afa wo hwe enuane eni kwayensem so senti a wode nkrata akoto CID mpanifo anim ene se ebra East Afasha ne koso won praye so epoye mantemu no ora Bryan Acheampong ene amanyoko no ekitafo bi edwetwe nkomo wode tu dwase enyade NPP amanyoko no ebegya itumi mu ede ama NDC amanyoko no wa fempene ne aduonu num da director ya woda legal affairs ano ewo NDC amanyoko eye Abraham Amaliba no trese ensemu a ora Bryan Acheampong eka ye no etia omayimra na bambosema wo my Ghana mu nso etia recenti wopese posi adwumayeko no etibi ejina sansem yeso echi ora Bryan Acheampong enianimu yi ano wototo na no enchiremu a wodi tu dwo wabra wo modern krata ekoto CID empanifo anim enie.
Today we were at the CID quarters to present to the CID boss a petition calling on the CID boss to arrest, investigate, and prosecute the Minister for Agric, Bryan Acheampong, for the unsavory comments that he made during the Easter break. You are aware that he's on viral video to have said that they, the MPP, will not hand over power to the NDC, come what may. And as lawyers, we are of the view that this comment or his comments on that day border on one, national security, and two, an affront to the Constitution. And as lawyers, we think that the police administration must be interested in this matter because as stakeholders in this democratic dispensation, we will not sit by for just one person to pass comments that will bring unrest in this country. So that's why we are here today, and we've submitted the petition to the CID boss. We had a copy for the IGP, and we thought we could have met him.
Before you go to the IGP, what did the CID boss tell you?
The CID boss indicated to us his appreciation of what we have done, and she was of the view that she would take the necessary steps, having received the petition. But once we were also going to serve the IGP, she will wait till we